Hey everybody, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Hurt by Johnny Cash. This is one of the classics. This was requested by Natasha, so here you go. This is a great song for a lot of reasons. One thing, and you guys have probably, if you've seen my other videos, you know this, I love it when songs don't require capos or special tuning, just because I love to just be able to pick up the guitar and just play, and that's exactly how this one is, so it's awesome. So before we get into the lesson, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new videos. To everyone who has subscribed and liked my videos already, seriously, thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. So let's get right into it. As I mentioned, standard tuning, no capo, awesome. So let's get into it. You can play this with a pick. I'm just going to play with my fingers, and I think it's easier, at least it is for me, but do what's easiest for you, okay? So you're going to use a few chords here, okay? You're going to use A minor, okay? And I'll show you how to pick that in a second. And you're going to, for the verses, you're going to use the same chord progression the whole time, okay? So you're going to do A minor, okay? Then you're going to use C, and then D. And then you go back to A minor, okay? Now you will also use G, okay? Doesn't matter if it's that G or that G. I use this one just because it's easy for me sometimes to switch to, but it's up to you. So I'm going to show you how you pick this, okay? So when you do for E minor, okay, you're going to use your thumb. At least that's what I do. So you're going to pick the A string first. So you go, and that one's open. Okay, so you go A, D, and then you're gonna strum. So, does that make sense? A, D, strum. And you're not strumming all of the strings. I mean, I guess you could, but it sounds better if you do A, D, strum from D down. Okay? Okay, so I'm picking with my thumb on the A, my pointer finger on the D, and then strumming with my thumb. Okay? Then, so that's A minor. Then you're going to go to C. Okay, then you're going to do the same strings. So, A, D, strum from D down. Okay? Then you're going to do D, and then this time you're not going to strum the A, you're going to start from the D. So you're going to go D, G, like that, okay? So D, G, down from D still, okay? So it's going to, and then you're going to go back to A minor and go the same exact plucking, okay? Or finger picking. So here's how, and if you have a hard time playing it like as fast as he is, which he's not playing it super fast, but if it's hard, just slow it down a little bit. That's what I've noticed is the biggest thing that people struggle with is they're like, I can't play this as quickly as they can. I'm like, look, and I said this to friends who actually play the guitar a lot, and I said, just play it slower. Start with it slower. And they do. If they just slow down just like barely at all, you can get it, okay? So if you're having a hard time with it, just do that. But here's how it starts, okay? I'm going to make sure I have the lyrics up here because I don't know them super well. So you go through it once with the A minor, so you go, okay, so you go through it twice. You do A minor, and then after you do this part of the A minor there, you go, I hurt myself today. Okay, and then you play that through the whole time. All right, so that's literally like the first and second verses. Only two verses in the song. That's the first and second verse as to how you play it, okay? So you're going to do that. And you remember you play the A minor first, and then you start singing afterwards. So it's I hurt and then you go into C. I hurt myself today. Okay, just like that. All right, then at the end of the verse, though, you're going to go... try to kill it all away. Then you're going to do the C, and then D, but I remember everything. Okay, and the chorus is super easy strumming, okay? You just do everything, and you're going to start with G, okay? But I remember everything. Okay, so you start doing G on everything. you're just doing down like that, okay? And then you go to A minor. What have I become? Okay, then you use F. I forgot to mention earlier that you do use F during the chorus. So in addition to using A minor, C, and D, and then G at the end of the verses, you also are going to use G and F. Okay, so if you have a hard time doing F, just do the power chord version. Okay, so you don't use this finger. Just put your pointer finger on the first fret on the E string, the big E string, and then put your ring finger on the third fret on the A string, and your pinky on the third fret on the D string. Okay, you can do that. You're supposed to use this one as well, but if that's hard, or if you're having a hard time barring and stuff like that, don't worry about it. Just do the easier power chord version of it. Okay, and then later you can see I'm barring it, so you'll just do that. Okay, but that's an easy way to do it. So you say, so you do A minor. What have I become? And on become you do F. Okay, and you strum that for a little bit, and you have to listen to the song so you can do it. And then you go C. So C, my sweetest friend. Okay, and friend is G. Okay, and you strum that a little bit, and you go to A minor. Everyone I know, and then you go to F. Okay. And that's the chorus. That's the entire chorus. So then at the end of it, you're going to go, let's see. So you're doing G, and you'll do I will make you heard. And you go then you go straight into the picking again, okay? And you do that. So then you're going to do it just like you started at the beginning of the song. The transition, so from the chorus to the verse, is the same thing, where you do. You just do that finger plucking. Okay, and then you go. So you're going to play through it twice, and then when you get to the A minor after you played it through twice, so after you do that, then you start singing again. Okay, so it's the same thing. I wear this crown of thorns upon my lyre's chair. Okay, I can't sing Johnny Cash very well. I feel like I have an okay voice, but I can't sing Johnny Cash super great. Those low voices always get me. Anyway, that's the whole thing. And then again, remember at the end of the second verse, you just do the G, and then you go into A minor, and then you go. What have I become? And then you go to F, and then you go through it. That's the whole thing. So you just repeat what we did before. That's the whole song. So it's super easy. It's not difficult. Natasha, please let me know if this is if this helps, or if you have any questions, or all of you, please let me know if you have any questions about it or anything. But it's a super easy song. I love it, and it's great to do the finger picking as well. Okay, so anyway, I'll see you guys next time. It's been fun as always. See ya.